Hi, I'm Piyalee Chattopadhyay. I live here in Ahmedabad. I work with startups, mentors, and investors. Today, I'm here at Ahmedabad Management Association.
Hi, I'm Monika Gupta. I'm a novelist and a creative writing coach. And most importantly, we are friends.
Monika, I have a question. You have sent me a message today about an workshop, and it's on memoir writing. What is it about?
Piyalee, memoir writing is actually a shorter version of biographies and autobiographies.
Okay.
Autobiographies are lengthier and memoirs are theme based. They are more precise and they have a certain duration.
Okay.
So, this workshop is actually to bring your story forward or bring your story on paper.
Wait, you are saying that any of us can write a memoir, even if I'm not a very famous person, or maybe I don't have a story which is completely different, or maybe someone who has gone through a lot in life. Can it be like an ordinary story, ordinary life, which can convert into a memoir?
Of course.
Really?
It is actually a myth that memoirs are for popular people or people who've suffered. But memoir, according to me, the reason and intent behind creating this workshop was this, that if life is a testimony of courage and strength, then every story is worth a memoir.
I really like this quote. I really liked it.
This workshop is for you.
Oh, that's very nice. So you're saying that even, ordinary people can come forward and share their own story. So I'm sort of thinking here, the main material of a story that I should write is actually about my life, my story, maybe the milestones or the turning point of my life. Is that right?
Yes, actually precisely. I'm sure every person has turning points or those
Correct.
defining moments.
Absolutely.
And they must not have ever thought of, writing it on paper. So this workshop is actually an opportunity for everybody to express, to reflect, more precisely. And like you said, for a person like you who's not written or anything, it's the workshop. The reason it is a workshop is for this.
No, so I'm just visualizing in my mind. I think these journeys must be very, very powerful. But I have one more question. It sounds very interesting to me, and I'll probably be the first person to come and join this. But tell me something, someone like me who has not written anything like this in the past, will it be very intimidating to think about my story, probably reflect back as to what I should write, how I should write? How will I be able to get that help in the workshop?
See, it's going to be very simple, प्यारी. बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं होगा. वर्कशॉप से सुनने में ऐसा लग रहा है, but with the help of simple prompts and with few experiences and activities, you will be able to unlock those memories and you can just start writing. It will be as smooth and simple. You require no background, no writing skills, nothing. You will be able to, with those help of prompts and with my guidance, you will be able to, create a draft.
Right. That sounds interesting. And of course, you are an author. You have already published your books. So I'm sure the direction you will be able to give us or the guidance will be, of course, brilliant. And that would probably help us to draft something. But tell me, अगर मैंने कुछ draft बना भी लिया, I'm very sure that cannot be my final copy of my own story. So will you also help me to kind of fine tune it?
Of course. See, the workshop in the first half, through these prompts and activities, it will be discovering your story.
Okay.
And in the second half of the workshop, on one-on-one discussions, I will help you refine your draft as well as give it shape.
Right.
So the question or doubt regarding, somebody who's not written in a long time or, whatever, that is just,
I think we can leave it behind and can really feel.
The only thing that you need to bring to the workshop is the courage.
Yeah, I know you are right. yeah, I'm sure the way you are explaining it to me, I feel that, this workshop will really sort of help us to reflect back as well as express it for us on paper too.
Yes.
That's great. So tell me something. You had sent me two messages. One, you were also telling me keep yourself free in the week of the Women's Day or Women's Week. So what's happening? Is that something extension to this workshop?
Yes, you got it right.
Okay.
It's a Women's Day special. Why we do this workshop in Feb, and in the month of March, that is around the 8th of March, 11th March, we will have a celebration. We
Wow.
will come together. It will be a warm, cozy get together of all the women, and we will celebrate these stories and the participants.
Wonderful.
So, what you will take back will just not be the final edited stories, but you will take back a deep connection, not just with yourself, but with
Right.
other women.
So I am going to definitely join this workshop, and I would like to invite and welcome you all to register as well and join this workshop. It's going to be brilliant, and I think the time worth really spending with yourself.
Thank you, Piyalee. As an add-on topic, the selected memoirs will be published on my blog, and a chosen few will be part of the next book.
Brilliant. So at least I've come to know today, probably the first person, that you are also now coming up with your next book. Great. That's wonderful, Monika.